In an attic, young Emma found an old typewriter covered in dust. Curiosity piqued, she rolled in a crisp sheet of paper. The keys felt heavy but comforting under her fingers. As she typed, words flowed freely, weaving tales of adventure and heartache. Hours turned into days. Emma's room filled with finished stories. One evening, her father, a retired journalist, entered. "This typewriter was my companion," he said, eyes twinkling. "It taught me the impact of every word." Emma looked at her latest story, realizing its power. She smiled, understanding now. Words, when crafted with care, could change worlds.